Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Danielle. So glad you're here. So glad you found us in some way. It's my favorite time of the season. You guys know this. You guys know it from the title because you can see it right down below. It's FabFitFun time, guys. My favorite, all-time favorite time of each season because it's a great kickoff to the season. It gets us ready. It gives us some items to get excited about. We get a little bit prepped and we're ready for wintertime. So I'm excited about this winter's box and that it is here. If you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a subscription box. You can do seasonal, so you pay $50 for each season's box, or you can pay, I do believe, is $149 for the whole year. Which I have now upgraded to after doing this for 2 years. I am now an annual member. So I pay that flat fee and I get these boxes that are worth so much for such an unbelievable price. What I love about each box is that each box has a charity or a foundation that they work with. And so this box is partnered with Stand Up to Cancer, and I am so incredibly passionate about cancer because cancer hits home for me. I have several family members who have battled cancer. So this hits home, and this is something that I'm pretty passionate about, working with, doing whatever I can, donating money. So Stand Up to Cancer, or you see sometimes SU2C, they fund and develop the newest and most promising cancer treatments to help patients today. Like, guys, they hit the ball out of the park. They dramatically accelerate the role of new discoveries by connecting top scientists and unprecedented collaborations to create breakthroughs, and their innovations lead to better cancer prevention, diagnosis, and treatment, which means they can save lives now. So this is incredible. So one of my add-ons, I did donate $10 to help fund their cancer research and the incredible things that they're doing to help stop cancer, which is, like I said, such a passion of mine. So we're gonna jump right in. So I'm gonna show you guys this box. It's very Christmas themed. I'm ready to put the tree up. I have not decorated for Christmas, but this is very Christmassy and this has me ready for it. I love just the simple, like, it just screams Christmas to you. And it has me very excited. So we're gonna dive right on into this. I'm gonna show you guys what's in here and the amazing products. First, when you open up, this is what you see. It's just really, really simple. I love that FabFitFun, that just like that sparkle. It's so good. So first things first, Katie Couric is on our cover of our magazine this month. And then of course we have a few other things. Today you will shine, and it allows you to send like a code to a FabFitFun friend. We have an HBO Max this time. Oh my gosh, 14-day trial. We have Nourish, which is vitamins. We got a sticker this time, guys. Bright Sellers, and then HelloFresh. So we always get some really nice little goodies as well with each box. I did do another add-on, and I did the Almost Famous Spotlight. So this is the selfie ring light that you can just clip right on your phone. And it is so incredibly cool. And it's really easy, so you just clip right over the top. It sits right there. It's really nice. It has 3 different settings. And just because I'm videoing a lot, like when I travel, it'd be nice just to have something a little handy, like a nice little ring light on my phone. So I had to get it. And this was $14.99 through add-ons. All right, so we're diving on into this and I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is my first customization item. And this is something I have been wanting to get. This is the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, and this is priced at $89.99. And this is really cool, so you can connect it to your phone. Advanced teeth whitening, get a brighter and whiter smile. And so all you have to do is connect it to your phone. So it includes 1 Mobile White 16 LED light tray, syringe applicators, and mobile device adapters. Mobile White combines cool blue LED light to accelerate safe teeth whitening for faster, easier, and more effective whitening. Very excited. Very excited that I finally have one of these that I can try, guys. The second thing in here, in my other customization, I think we have seen this very brand and this very, very fun brand lately. Lele Sadauhi. I swear to God, I mess that up every single time, and I apologize to her. But this time we did get one of these maroon velvet headbands, and these are priced at $49.99. I have been looking for a really nice velvet headband for so long, and this maroon color is so beautiful and so festive and fun, so I'm sure that this is perfect to go with everything for the holidays. I do love how on the inside she has it branded with hers, so it's really, really cool. But this is just beautiful, and I love, it's velvety, but it's not too velvety, you know what I mean? Like, it's not that crush. But this is just beautiful, and I love this. Customization in the box is this Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. We've seen Murad a lot in these boxes. They are a great partner. This is priced at $78, and so what this does, we ignite your skin's most beautiful potential. This very specific product, fast-acting treatment with a topical filler-like effect, plumps skin surface to minimize the look of lines and wrinkles after just one use. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 2 hours. That's just fantastic. This is kind of like one of those products you're just like, I'm gonna hold on to this one when it's a really bad day. But it's really nice, and it comes in just like a simple bottle. Nice little pump action, but it's a nice just product. And like I said, we see Murad a lot in these boxes, so I like the consistency, and I like having these Murad products because they work fantastic. Next thing that's keeping me warm in this wintertime, Mucklucks. Have y'all ever heard of Mucklucks? They are incredible. So these are Mucklucks cabin socks, and I do have them in a large and extra large. And these are priced at $25, but Mucklucks is known for really, really nice, like cold winter gear. They have boots and stuff like that, but this is what they look like. They look so fuzzy and warm. Oh my God. Okay, and on the bottom they have grips, and it literally says Mucklucks on the bottom. But they have grips, so when you walk around and stuff like that, you don't slip. The inside, stop. I love the little palms on the outside, but these are really nice, and these are just great socks. So if you ever go to up to the woods camping, you're in the snow, these are kind of like perfect. And I love Mucklucks. It's hashtag wear your way of life. Like, this just works perfectly. All right, next item on the list is these Butanique Beauty Garden Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. Oh, nice little eyes right here. So what do? I brighten, hydrate, and depuff. Some of the ingredients: cucumber, rose extract, green tea, and hyaluronic acid. Ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, and pre-party prep. So there are 4 individually wrapped masks in here. I love this because like the detailing on the packaging is just super, super cool. It's got like clouds, and it literally looks like people flying with angel wings on it. But these are nice. I always like to keep these handy just because you never know when you need that help underneath your eyes. Like at the end of the week, I get looking so tired, so these are awesome to have. Next thing on the list is a fun one. These are $25, and these are the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. Guys, whenever I see a scrunchie, it just takes me back. And so these are really taking me back right now. But it's just like 3 different leopard prints in different colors and different shades of leopard. But these are super, super cool. And like any themed kind of party night, these are gonna come in handy. But these, like I said, are priced at $25. Next thing in here, my box is almost empty, guys, is the London Town Get Well Nail Beauty Recovery Treatment, and this is $20. And when we get to the wintertime, you guys, our nails get rough, it gets dry out. It's kind of important to have these things, but it just comes in a simple nail polish bottle. But this is healthier looking nails are just 1 week away. An intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. It contains alpha hydroxy acid, vitamins B5 and C, and a patented strengthener that helps to hydrate and restore the nail surface and visibly fortify the nail plate. Guys, I need it. My nails are so dry right now, it's ridiculous. Like, super dry. So I love this, and it's just a simple, I love how it says different words that describe it. So repair, nourish, vitamin C, strengthen, vegan, moisturize, all these different words that just describe the brand. So it's really cool. The last, and certainly but not least, item we have in this box is the Wish, and we've seen Wish But this is a vanilla bean lip scrub. It gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free, DEA and TA-free, cruelty-free. And so I love this. It exfoliates brown sugar, raspberry seed, and bamboo moisture. It moisturizes shea butter, raspberry butter, and aloe. It renews vitamin E extract and avocado oil. Guys, speaking my language. Along with the nails, we got lips that need to be as well. So it's just a nice little tube. And oh my gosh, that screams just comfortability and niceness. It really truly smells like vanilla bean. It's so nice. It's not overly vanilla bean, but it's nice vanilla bean. So we got a nice little lip scrub to try out as well. All right, y'all, so that is everything in this box. Everything that you see will be linked down below, as well as FabFitFun, as well as Stand Up to Cancer, so you can go and do your research. You can go donate, see what you can do to help. But all of it will be linked right down below, as well as the blog post that this will be in. And you guys, these FabFitFun boxes are the perfect gift for somebody in your life for Christmas, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. Because every box is different. Every box is done by a different artist, is put together by different businesses and companies, so it's really, really cool. So it's the perfect gift. But please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.